Using a 1960s slide projector and a 1000 lines per millimetre diffraction grating, I can produce a beautiful spectrum of visible light on a screen. But I wanted to know, would it be possible to reveal ultraviolet beyond the end of the violet part of the spectrum? First up, a piece of white printer paper which fluoresces under UV, and you can see as I insert it at the end of the spectrum that it fluoresces, proving that there is some ultraviolet beyond the violet end of the spectrum. The printer paper, when it's fluorescing, is absorbing the higher energy UV photons and emitting lower energy visible light photons, which we can then see. So we're not directly seeing the UV. Next, I thought I'd project the spectrum onto some glow-in-the-dark vinyl. We can see the vinyl in the lower part of the screen is glowing brightly well beyond the end of the visible part of the spectrum. The electrons in the coating of the vinyl are excited by the higher energy UV photons into a higher energy state, and then gradually over time the electrons de-excite into a lower energy state in several stages, giving out lower energy visible light photons, which we can see. The glow continues if we switch off the lamp, because it takes a long time for the electrons to de-excite. Using split screen to show the afterglow and with the lamp on at the same time, we can clearly see the glow is extending well beyond the violet end of the visible light spectrum. If you want to set this up, you'd need a bright tungsten halogen light bulb driven slide projector, which has got a couple of razor blades making a single slit, but you could use something else for your single slit, and then it's got a 1000 lines per millimetre diffraction grating on the end of the slide projector lens. You need to adjust the lens so that you get a sharp image of the slit, which is the bright white line on the right of the screen. Then you can insert your piece of printer paper in with the lights off and see the UV causing fluorescence of the printer paper beyond the end of the spectrum. Because of the UV given out by the tungsten halogen bulb, you shouldn't look directly into the light of the projector, but only view the reflection from a screen.